It's bad. It's real bad. It's bad. YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy 540 Ryan, aka the Spin Lord, back with another video. Guys, I tore myself up earlier, but I learned a lot. So guys, as I was shooting the video and as I was editing this video, I was like, oh my gosh, this is 56 minutes of raw HD film, and my computer was not handling it well, and B, it would just take forever to analyze, going back and speeding things up and transitioning this into this. So what I decided was I'm just gonna take bits and parts of it and give you guys a general idea of. Now, I did take bits and parts of every side, so you're gonna see the lining, front taper, back taper, everything. And then at the end of the video, you guys are actually gonna see the haircut. So stay tuned, check these clips out from the cut, and yeah. Well, alright, this is the setup. I got the Envies, the Watercolor Pros, and the Andis T outliners. Pretty much all you need. I got all the guards and stuff, combs, and on the right side. Halfway. Oh yeah. And come back with it. And there goes my even canvas, y'all. Now, I think this cut would have came out a lot better if I would have just stuck to my Watercolor Pros rather than switch it up, or just stuck to the Envies and went ahead and learned this system. But I'm trying to introduce myself to the system slowly, and I like it so far. And with the grain. Yeah, look. Open it up halfway, knock out that line. Let's go. Then we're half all the way closed. If you guys have endured this entire video, I gotta show you. I gotta show you. So without further ado, here's the unrag. Once again, YouTube family, I appreciate you guys for sticking through this whole entire video with me. If you guys like this video, leave it a thumbs up. If you guys have any tips for me, please leave them in the comments. Let me know if there's something that I could have done better. I'm aware of the guard system and the guideline system, and a lot of things I kind of just I just went for broke, you know. I winged it. But next time I'm gonna stay very, very close to the knowledge that I've learned and you know, the guideline system and things like that. And I'm not gonna try to wing it and venture off. But if you guys want to see me mess my head up in the future like I did today, please subscribe. And once again, guys, I appreciate you guys sticking it through. You guys have a great day. It's your boy 5 Woody Ryan signing off.